Hey. Pull up quick. Hey. Pull up quick. I ain't playing about my money, boy. I feel like Mitch. This nigga sweet like Easter Bunny. Go and take his shit. Better not do no pump faking. I been blow that bitch. Keys where you at, shit. You know me, I'm always in the mix. Always in some shit. Always by a stick. Told her leave me alone. You ain't home, she called for dick. Ain't that about a bitch? Got them mad, they pissed. Got them hurt, they sick. Let's see who whip the fastest. Let's see who bitch the baddest. Let's see who up it faster. Thought I told you murder madness, but this shit get tragic. And this merch that's on my soul, I ain't just fucking rapping. I'm gon' make it home for sure. I'm scared to blow that ratchet. I'm scared to blow that stick. All you hear is cock back, then I go that click. Press the button on the back, and it's over with. All that pussy shit you doing, they condoning it. It was kids in the room, they still shot the house up. Yeah, this shit right here, dirty game, I for Tryna spin about the striker and go on the man. Ain't no complaining about the shit, I just had to go man up. I'll do whatever for my son, I ain't have a dad.
YouTube, man. Oh, she got booty out. YouTube, man, we back at it. Y'all ain't watched last video, make sure y'all go like, share, comment, and subscribe on that one because this one gonna be another banger. I ain't gonna fake. But as y'all can see, we got Murder Cat right there. We got Scatty on it back there. We got the good V6 300, and we got the big Hemi back there with the granny whip in the backfield. You feel me? But yeah, man, we back outside. I'm trying to bring y'all more vlogs and shit. I'm trying to just bring y'all along because we really be outside. But if y'all don't know, we got the one and only GT Clee here. You feel me? Tap in, do your homework on there, boy. You feel me? Hold on. He got something crazy coming.
Going on. Hey, I definitely got some shit in the works for y'all.
Bro.
Make sure y'all stay tuned and keep fucking with my boy, man. Get this nigga to the top.
That last video, bro, I'm telling y'all niggas, y'all gotta go tap in. It was a movie. It was a movie. Like, that shit crazy.
I just got back in the city.
Yeah, I don't know who was driving. I don't know who was driving the Sixer, but somebody catfish, bro. Because as y'all can see, if y'all watch the video, what y'all seen in the video, it was orange on the car. This is Murder Cat, bro. Murder Cat. You feel me? We ain't got no Sixers around. We got the gang with me and shit too, though. Don't worry. But yeah, man. If y'all didn't, man, go tap into that last video because we is bringing more content all summer. Y'all go show some love to my boys, man. Shit going on, man. Y'all. That's a hottie, no faking. They missing they got 30-day tags on it. Missing the tail like duct tape plate.
What these fuck niggas want?
Big ass park rangers. They not gonna move shit. They ain't having no motion for real. Weak ass cop. But yeah, we vlogging and shit. I ain't gonna fake. The views is good though. Like, I bang with the scenery and shit. We waiting for more folks to pull up and shit though. I need me something to drink before we go anywhere, for real. Cause I ain't got no bevs, no liquid in my. Damn, they fine as hell. They low key, yeah, you know what I mean? But get Murder Cat, man. I mean, party. Real son needs something to drink, man. Anybody got some Carmex or something? Yeah. He said he got me. But yeah, we gonna keep the cameras rolling though because I ain't gonna fake. This about to be a movie, man. Why did you do that? Murder Cat. They making this move. Oh shit, where they gonna go? Damn. We gotta move the years, man. I know some kids wanna hurt themselves. Oh damn, they balloons in the window. I mean, in the tree and shit. Goofy ass. Man, y'all might as well park right there. Shit. For real. Oh, bow. Okay, cool. Hold on, I'm gonna pick up the camera in a second. We back outside. We done had to move spots and shit. Fuck 12, man.
Yeah, man. Metro Park Rangers wanna come fuck with us and
Hey,
shit.
I ain't gonna fake. He not about to keep getting in his camera though, bro. Cause look at the comparisons, y'all can't tell, bro.
They can't tell it. Let me see.
I'm right here with you, bro. But hell no, you're not getting this camera,
so they can see.
All right,
Look, they got to see. Look.
Bro.
Boom.
That's not cool, bro. My shit. Cause why he just do me like that, bro? This nigga tall as fuck.
It's not my fault,
bro. Hey,
you should have ate your vegetables and ate your Wheaties growing up, bro. Drunk your milk and all that.
Y'all heard this nigga eat your weenies, bro? You a little. Okay, it's Pride Month. You right. What's wrong with him? The lineup crazy. Fuck. What's wrong with him? Yep. Hold on, I got you. We got Murder Cat. Look, we got Murder Cat. We got good Scattiana. We got the V6 Scat, you feel me? Of course, you feel me? Oh, the SRT Pacifica, of course. And a motherfucking big 345, you feel me? We got big Hemis outside, of course. But we about to have a fun out day today. Is y'all ready for my car still on? Both of y'all sit here.
I seen you say something about that.
The SRT Pacifica is crazy. It will be crazy as fuck, but the engine, you know the engine is gonna sit inside the car, right?
Yeah.
You know how loud that's gonna be?
No, you just gotta overextend the car. Yeah.
No. He gonna have to cut so much shit, and it's gonna fit. But nigga, the motherfucking engine gonna start right here. The motherfucker gonna sit right here, and you gonna be on top of that bitch right there. That shit crazy. Damn, really for real. Cause you gotta sit the whole radiator up front. You swapping the Pacifica? SRT Pacifica?
That would be hard, though.
That'd be crazy. Did they just hop up in that damn kid and just leave like that? He walked down. He ain't playing no games. Yeah, geez. Guys, I might as well pick up the camera and all shit. Oh shit, they turned. They got music bumping. I don't know if I can really record too much of the music though. Where the fuck is him at? Where the fuck the nigga is though? Why they got construction and shit? There's all this damn pilot. They trying to take somebody out here. But it's music bumping all over here and shit. So I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna pick up the cam when I can again. But give me 1 second. Y'all gotta learn this little shit. I ain't gonna pay. And you going to HBCU, you tripping.
Man, freaky ass nigga, bro. Hey, fuck all that.
Well, we back outside. We still outside. You see shit going on. Yo, hey, doing this bitch, man.
You're ex-cars.
Yeah.
You're ex-Scott. You're ex-SRTs.
Yeah. They all lit as fuck. On my soul. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Damn, yeah. Hey, y'all niggas is, yeah. Hey, y'all niggas is hilarious. I wasn't expecting that. I ain't even focus on niggas. Where's Jordan go, bro? Why you set me up, bro? Niggas. You still niggas set me up, bro. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Hell yeah.
Hey, they got a fat nigga on the grill. Hold on, let me show you.
Come on. What up? Yeah.
Hey, they were greedy for what, though? These niggas juicy as fuck.
You're right.
I ain't even worried about them, though.
You gonna face them yourself, don't worry.
Hey, we coming up, man. Duh,
He lit as fuck back there. Yeah, word. Duh, dumbass. Yeah, look at these niggas. Okay, cool. We got glizzies on the motherfucking grill. All right. Hey, I picked the vlog up when something else popping off, gang. Yeah. Fuck it up. Yeah. No rhythm. Yeah. Niggas, look at
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
What you about to do to him? What you about to do to him? Hey, you lock his ass up. Lock his ass up. Hammy!
Run it back. Quarter cramp. Run it back.
Keep me one wheel.
Keep it real. Oh, shit.
Ooh, me personally? Ooh, got his ass. Ah!
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh God, we about to move.
Hey, what happened when we come out?
Yeah. We got things wrong. We about to. You might as well get back in your shit. We parked all the way over there and shit.
Fuck you, parking out.
What with you, bro, man? Vlogging and shit. What I was.
Bro, why Bretnor just try to like?
They tried to lock you.
Bro, they passed both their exits. They go past Bretnor, but they in the slow lane, so you can't get off. Like they
Right.
all the way in this lane, we in the fast lane, but they go past both their exits.
Yeah.
Like, bro, what they oh, they trying to let a nigga get over. Then when they go to the freeway,
They like, yeah, you gonna take us on this bitch, nigga. That plum crazy, nigga. Oh, I ain't that peep. The hood switch. Hood switch. Good hood switch. Oh, you might as well. Oh, shit. Park handicap, man. We about to move. Yeah. Oh, now. Pull up, play your block. Go, nigga. Run, nigga. Run for that pole, nigga. Gas what I smoke, nigga. It's some cool shit. Hey, turned up to the max up on some motion. Bitch, you ain't my bitch, get out my face, I'm on some pull up and we shoot shit. Rapping about them bodies, you ain't never ever do shit. Niggas know I'm ruthless. Come through, bitch, don't take that nap forever. Oh, watch out! Yeah, I feel like a cute. Oh, shit! Okay, cool. Yeah. Oh, you better move. Yeah. Hey, she gon' fuck with cause I rap. I ain't gotta up no racks. Pump up with these chokes back. Boys and style. Tell them. We back outside. We got some things outside, of course. JP. Fuck it, you can. Let me hear that motherfucker over here. We living lovely over here, my boy. On the light, JP. Yeah. Good whips outside, of course. You know, you don't, just slow. Alright, well, guess we back outside.
back outside.
Back outside.
Part two.
Part two.
This not even the main event.
It's not the main event. I think they playing volleyball. I don't know if Real gonna get on that court or not, but oh shit getting serious. I can't get to there. I ain't gonna fake. It's low key shit going on down here. I told y'all we gonna start coming down here to the pier though, bro, because this shit looks lit.
Hey, every weekend it's hot outside.
We outside at the pier. You want to find us? Find us here. You heard me? We down at the pier. You want to find us? We coming down here. But yeah, though, there's some shit going on. Okay, the bikes pulling up. There's some more shit. There's low-key hella bikes that way too. I can't. Oh, that was low-key high. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hey. 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 Oh, that's a good one right there. I like that. I definitely like that. Let's go, man. Yeah, yeah. You gotta serve. Yup, yup. Tossing the red key. Yup, 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 yup. Yup. Good cameraman. Oh. Yup. Oh. Jordan, where you go? I lost you. Where you at? Oh, boy. Damn, cuz. Damn, cuz. Shit, God did. He turned the lights out in this motherfucker, though. In West 14 we is. Alright, YouTube, man, we back outside. If y'all don't know, if y'all don't see what's going on in the background, probably one of them kind of nice. Everybody out here sticked up but me. This shit is crazy. Everybody sticked up but me. Look at this shit. Sticked up. Sticked up. Look at this. You got sticks on the whip. Everybody. Is it? Where? Where? Mr. Top Hat, it is that nigga, bro. This nigga be everywhere but where he need to be, bro. I swear to God. This little nigga be everywhere but where he... No, I'm on your ass. Yeah, no, hell no. As y'all can see, man, we lit outside. We lit all summer. I told y'all, go tap into the last video, bro. Fuck. You know, when I step outside, the whip's outside. Shit going. You see shit going on, gang. Y'all don't want to be here to miss. Y'all don't want to miss this shit. Well, YouTube, we done changed location. Yeah, we got the things outside and we got the guns out. Put the guns down, put up the Splatball if you got a problem with somebody. Yo, Sarge, my boy. He trying to get some tech. Damn, a good Maggie. Good Maggie. Juice. There you go, Juice. He playing a game in that bitch, bro. Oh, niggas. Oh, they got this bitch. They got this. Oh, shit. Oh, they got that bitch. Oh. We in that bitch. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, she hit him.
What the fuck? Move back. You can't even move. Yo, goofy ass.
Yo! Yo! Yo, girl! Yo! Yo! I can't believe that. Hold on. Oh my God.
No. Oh, hell.
Oh hell. No! No!
She gonna run somebody the fuck over. Dang. Her shit it look something down there. Damn, gang. Yeah, she gotta get up out that motherfucker. she gotta. Yeah, feel me? That's a tough ass cookie ganger. I ain't even gonna fake. That shit crazy. Oh, somebody's ran over some glass. Oh, what the hell? Nigga, I've been vlogging all day. This shit. Bro, shit.
Cleveland.
What the fuck? Shit going on. She ain't gonna pull her out the whip though. She she ain't gonna pull out the whip, y'all. What y'all think? Drop a comment down below. Y'all let me know if y'all think she gonna pull her out the whip. Cause I don't think so. Damn. This is crazy. They got motherfuckers everywhere. Running around. Oh, I might run. I gotta run for it. I gotta make a run for it. Oh shit. Don't shoot me. I'm cameraman. I'm just cameraman. Cameraman, he got a motherfucking. Hey, I'm just cameraman. Please. I'm cameraman. Oh. He walk down. Oh my God. Oh shit. Wait, don't shoot me. Oh my God. She just got walked down, gang. Oh my God. Angle. We got the first person angle. Who we walking down? Oh, we ain't walking down nobody. All right, cool. Shit, they running. Too many motherfuckers. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, cool. Big. Yeah, blowhorn. Good blowhorn.
Said I was done sipping drink, but I poured up another cup. Every day that I grow older, the more I don't give a fuck. Treat these niggas just like go spin around, I'ma make them done, nigga. Yeah, hey. Pull up quick, nigga. You gon' pull up quick. You gon' blast some shit. How about whack 'em then?
You got it.
I can't sleep at night. I keep tossing, turning, thinking about them demons. I just ain't feeling right. Hold on with my styrofoam. Fill my cup with dirty Sprite. I keep doing wrong, but tell me why I feel right. I know what it feel like. I just put it up. Yesterday I'm still high. I've been hustling, getting money since the knee high. Sex, murder, money, drugs is what I live by. The one you love, I hurt you most, like fuck you telling lies. Every time we had to suit up, I was ready to ride. Whole lot of trappers, jackets, killers on my side. Don't give a fuck, I'm dead wrong, but I'm still in the night.
Free T4, GG, Lakers, bitch. She got me mad, man, she got me pissed. That country ride when you down on your dick. Now you see me going up from the racks to the rich. In my own lane, I'm the ticket, I'm king. What's all of that talking? I heard that it's shit. Nigga know I filled it up, Lil Joe be my fit. We a murder team, bitch, I forgot it. Devil all in my head telling me to fucking pill him. I don't wanna say no more. Niggas fuck on them friends, cause they gon' go. If I shoot us, they stay on go. Got that knot on me, that big bang roll. No, we told Big Draco. I got Gotti with me, no, he ain't gon' fall. Blade out that solid, no. Pop an X pill, got me focused. I'm the shit, bitch, you the flies I roll. Bitches want me fuck